Hi everyone, welcome to Science Tech Day. So today I'm going to take you through on how to test the polarity of a DC. But remember, a DC has a polarity, has negative and a positive. So right now we are having our multimeter. This is our multimeter. In case you want to test your multimeter whether it's working, you change the dial up to where I'm pointing right now. Then you put these two testing leads together. That's the red one and the positive and the red one and the blacker one. Then when you put them together here, it's going to make some noise. But remember, when you're having this multimeter, the common has to be here where there's that's where the black one is. But now when I'm going to test this the polarity of this wire, so this is our DC outlet. So I bring this black wire, this black lead here, and I also have this red one. Then the next thing I have to do is changing this dial here to where there's a DC voltage. So when I want to test the DC voltage, I bring this blacker one here. Then I also bring this one here. It will show you the polarity. So right now we are having here negative 0.6. So that means this is interchanged. So when I bring it properly, I will bring this red one this side, and then I also have this side. So we are having positive 0.6. So that's how you test the polarity of the signal which is coming out from the DC outlet. So when the wire is the same, so that's the way how they test it. Thank you.